Yo, what is up, everybody? Welcome back to krabsfx. This is day 9 of the prop firm journey. Today we ended up taking a small loss. We cut it short a little bit. As you can see right here, we took a minus 0.8% loss today. We only took one trade because I didn't see any other good opportunities, but that's that. We took minus 0.8%. But we're up on the week. As you can see here, we're up 1.7% on the week, which is great. My main focus right now is ending each week in profit, each week green, so that over time it stacks up. And that's how I'm going to see long-term results, is ending each week in profit. One sec. So overall on the prop firm account, we're down 0.5%, which is nothing. But we are in a little bit of drawdown. So next week we're going to come back stronger. And basically today, US 30 had my winning trade idea that would have played out. But I ended up taking NASDAQ because we're fully bearish bias here. And we had my confirmations for NASDAQ. So I did not take US 30's false breakout of the previous day's lows. It would have been a little bit later of an entry if we hop on 30-minute. 9:30 would be around here, so it would just be using this previous day's low false break as like my main entry point. But ideally I liked NAS's setup more because we had the fully bearish bias, which is higher probability for it to play out. But we did cut this trade short, so we didn't take a full percent loss. We kept the loss under 1%. We got 0.8%, same as yesterday. Unfortunately, we took 2 L days in a row, but it is all good. We're gonna be back, and yeah. So I'm just gonna break down this NASDAQ trade real quick. We had entry confirmations here. Number 1 being time, the most important. We stayed in our trading window 9:30 a.m. to 10:30 a.m. for my entries. And that time is my high probability time where I see my best entries, my fair value gaps being respected, my setups playing out and back testing. So yeah, that's my favorite time and my highest probability time for my trades. And number 2 being bias, we're fixed bearish, meaning the previous 4-hour and the previous daily candle both closed bearish, meaning I was only looking for sells. So number 3 was our 1-hour imbalance. We had a 1-hour gap here in price, which then we reached into, and then our 4th confirmation was rejection. We started rejecting this area. We pushed into profits a little bit here, but we did not hit our 1-to-1, so we couldn't move our stop loss to break even. And then price at 10 a.m. shot up and stopped us out. We cut it short due to all the bullish momentum we had. On indices, when you see that momentum pushing near your stop, I usually just see it get stopped out, so I cut it short a little bit when I saw all of this momentum here building up. So this candle was basically showing very strong bullish momentum, so that's why I cut it short here. And my focus right now is to keep my losses small and keep my winners big, which, as you can see, if we hop on here, let's see details. My average loss is 700 and average win is 1400. So it's about 1-2, 1-3. But yeah, that's what I want to do. I want to keep losses small, winners big, because long term, that's what's going to help me out. And also, today was NFP at 8:30 a.m., so that could have affected price action. Also, yesterday on NASDAQ, NAS pretty much just consolidated. So knowing that, I should have probably stuck to US 30. But that's something that I'm going to throw into my journal here and learn from. So yeah, this is pretty much the journal. We used 30 lots, 9:50 a.m. It's a Friday today. Something I'm going to add in is we had NFP news at 8:30 a.m. So NFP, like when you have NFP news, non-farm payrolls, those days could usually be pretty inconsistent, and you can see weird price action like this, choppiness. And that's what this big candle was. If we measure it here, let's see, like 180 points. Yeah, huge candle. This is the NFP candle. Do not want to be trading during that. But yeah, that's pretty much it for this video, guys. If you guys aren't in my Discord yet, make sure to hop in there, grab yourself some free resources. People are sending out sauce in here. We got some fundamental stuff. We got resources in here, my own trading journal, guys. If you want to grab it for yourself, make sure to check it out. But yeah, so far on the count, minus 0.5% about, but we are all good. Mentally, we're in a very good spot. So we're just going to be back next week and try to end green next week as well. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Make sure to like, comment, subscribe if you want to see more. And that's pretty much it. Peace.